Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can get paid doing what you love. Okay, for me, I love to motivate people, encourage people, help people, startup entrepreneurs, millionaire entrepreneurs, do well in prosper, really build successful businesses around what they love. So if you're on my channel watching any of my videos, then you obviously want to know how you can monetize what you love doing. Yeah, so that out of the way, I just want to quickly say, if you hear any noise, it's raining outside. And also, if this video is not that great, I apologize in advance. I have been trying to shoot this video for the longest time and it's just been like all odds have been against me today, but I'm going to definitely put out a video. That being said, let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to highlight 4 points that you need to know when you're trying to get paid doing what you love. So if you're trying to start an online business around what you love and your main intention is to get paid doing it, then you obviously want to take down these 4 points. The first one is it has to solve a problem. Whatever thing you're trying to monetize, that thing that you love doing has to solve a problem. I'm going to take time to actually explain them, but take down these 4 points first of all. The second point you want to know is define your target audience. The third point that you want to know is how to attract your target audience. And the fourth point that you actually want to know is the platform that you want to use. So I'm going to start from the very first point, which is very self-explanatory. Whatever thing that you're trying to monetize, that thing that you love doing, it has to solve a problem. And depending on how serious that problem is, obviously really affects how much you earn from that problem. Like for example, logo design isn't that serious of a problem, because even now there are free tools to actually use and actually create a very basic simple logo for your business. Or you can actually employ the services of a graphic designer, which wouldn't even charge you that much to actually make a simple logo for you, compared to how much social media marketing agencies will charge people that they're actually trying to get customers for through adverts. Do you get what I mean? So it's much expensive, because the problem of getting customers for a business is much serious than actually creating a logo for a business. So I'm going to try to talk louder now because the rain is getting actually serious. I hope you guys get my first point. Leave it in the comment section if you don't get anything, and I will try as much as possible to reply back. Now the second factor you should keep in mind is to define your target audience. Who are you targeting with your service and product? It's not for everybody. Actually, to me, I like niche businesses because they help you concentrate and focus more on the specific people that you're trying to target. So I'm targeting millennial entrepreneurs, not every entrepreneur. So I'm targeting millennial entrepreneurs that are not looking to put on suits or like sophisticated clothes like ball gowns to actually learn. So I can actually put on just a casual clothes like this, be free, sit anywhere, and then explain to you guys what I want to teach you guys, and you actually get it. So I'm targeting millennial entrepreneurs that are starting a business or still in the startup process of their businesses, and they're just looking for that startup guide, that proper guide, the technical know-how, resources, information on how the guide to help them prosper and build successful businesses. So having defined that, I know their age range, I know their interest, I know where they will probably be working, who they're even unemployed. Knowing all those factors, those demographics about them, actually help you to create content that will actually attract them, which takes us to the next point, attracting your target audience. How do you attract them? Simple. Through the value that you give to them, and that is through your content, through the things you post, through the things that you teach them. If they're getting value from you, then they're bound to come back. So sorry guys, I had to take care of something. So anyway, if you're giving them value, then they're bound to come back, because you're actually serving them a need that they've been looking to subside. You're giving them a solution to their problems. So when you understand who they are, you can know the kind of things they're thinking, the kind of things that interest them, what their problems, and then you can be able to find solutions to them and drag them even more to your brand. And then the final one is the platform you want to use. Many people, when they get online, they just think any social media platform is good for their business. No, actually it's not. When you're online, you have to be very specific about the kind of business that you're doing. For example, if you're a makeup artist, then you know that you would have to utilize a platform such as YouTube or IGTV to actually get your work out there. So relying on such Relying on a platform such as a blog will probably not be the best option for a makeup artist, especially if you're trying to monetize your makeup artistry skills, if that makes sense. So once you're going online, be sure of the kind of platform you're trying to use to reach out to your audience, and knowing the kind of platform you're going to, understanding your audience, sorry, will help you know the kind of platform where your target audience are mostly at. I don't know, I'll make a separate video on knowing the kind of form to use for your business. But until then, guys, bye. Make sure you subscribe anyway, guys. Comment below, like this video. Bye, guys.